Hey guys, me with Monster, and we're back with more Papa's Pancakeria. And we have Wendy, the tool girl, and French toast. Yay. Sorry if I sound so depressed. As you know, I'm very sad right now because one of my friends lost touch with me because I haven't talked to him. So I feel really sorry about this. I feel really bad about it. So I probably won't be talking as much. And I am leaving soon. But I think I have a pretty long while. But I think I can keep recording for a pretty long while. This was already uploaded 2 parts of Papa's Pancakeria, and I decided to do Pancakeria. If I don't have time to do Papa's Pancakeria, oh well, sucks to be it. Sucks to be a pancake, I guess. So, hot wing, I guess. There you go. And Prudence is back. Oh boy. She wanted French toast. Does French toast really look like that? Oh well. I'll never know. Hang on. Oh crap. What would you like, sir? I know. We need pancakes. I mean, I think I'm already done with this order. We almost got 9. Well, I got 9 points. Go figure. And we got Hobo Girl with tattered clothes. Oh boy. And the pancakes are done. And we start cooking the French toast. And we can get those pancakes flipped. Ha ha ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, not yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Enjoy. Oh well. That'll be a first. 1, 2. Okay, French toast is good. It's done. Whipped cream. This looks really weird. We need the chocolate. And the maple syrup. Oh, goody. And we serve, she eats, and we get a good grade. Right? Yeah, indeed. Oh my gosh, I did not know you can do that. But you click up, just click what was on top. Sucks to be me, as always. Another pancake. And we use the maple syrup. The joy of maple syrup. And we